To access the Brightspace for Teachers professional learning course, start at the publicboard.ca website, scroll all the way down to the bottom under the quick links section and select D2L Brightspace. This should log you in using your Office 365 credentials. Once you're in there, you'll notice that there's a widget right here promoting the Brightspace for Teachers course. You can click on the icon here or on the link Brightspace for Teachers, and you should have been added into that course already. Once you're inside here, you can see that there's an activity feed where you can post suggestions for future content to be built out. But if you select content up in the top in the nav bar, what you'll end up seeing is the content that's already been started to be developed. So module 1 is all about using assessment in Brightspace, and module 5 is about using synchronous learning through virtual classroom. The other modules are coming soon, and we are working diligently to help develop that content to suit your professional learning needs. Again, this is just how you can access all of that professional learning inside of Brightspace, and we want to know what you need support with. So please, if you do have any suggestions, come to the homepage of this course, go to the activity feed, and make a comment as to what we can do to further support you.